Want to learn augmented reality, but can't find an affordable and comprehensive course that prepares you to face any challenge as an augmented reality developer? Then you are at the right place. At Antern, we have launched an Augmented Reality Mastery Course that will teach you everything you need to know to work as a professional augmented reality developer in the industry and get a job as an augmented reality developer. But why augmented reality? Augmented reality is one of the most in-demand tech skills and has forecasted a 69% growth rate in the upcoming years. This course will teach you the fundamentals of augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality, XR design principles, augmented reality prototyping, Unity Engine, C# programming, Vuforia, ARCore, and other industry standard practices and tools. By the end of the course, you will have a portfolio of 9 augmented reality projects plus your projects, which you will be designing and developing yourself during the course. You will also get mentor support, live hands-on lectures, networking opportunities, project showcases, etc. For pursuing the course, you won't need any previous experience or knowledge of augmented reality because everything will be taught from the beginning. So, are you ready to code the reality with augmented reality? Enroll now!